I hit this issue today, and here's the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to unlock your earnings on DoorDash, follow these steps to get it done efficiently. Step 1. Log into your account. Start by logging into your DoorDash account on the website. Make sure you use the correct email and password associated with your Dasher account. Step 2. Navigate to Earnings. Once logged in, find the Earnings tab on the left-hand menu. This is where you can view your current earnings and any pending amounts. Step 3. Check your eligibility. Look for any notifications or alerts regarding your earnings. Sometimes, you may need to complete a certain number of deliveries to unlock your funds. Step 4. Update payment information. If everything looks good, check your payment information under the account settings. Make sure your bank account details are correct and up to date. Step 5. Request payout. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the s.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Remember, if you encounter any issues, sometimes logging out and back in can refresh your account status. Good luck with your earnings and happy dashing!